Welcome to the Technology Department, Industrial Arts. I'm Mr. McConkey. Here we offer some select courses for you folks. We offer woods classes for the freshmen coming in, which is a woodworking shop. In the woodworking shop here, if you look behind my shoulder, you can see some of the room that we're working in. You'll see some videos here shortly about what the students are building right now as we speak. If you choose to move on in this career path, you can actually get into a more advanced class where you make some more independent projects. If you look at my website, you'll see some examples of that. We also offer a design and drawing for production class, which is fantastic. You're going to see some good footage in there that has to do with some of the pre-engineering types of courses, and it also will fulfill your requirement in art. So that will be a nice feature of that class. We do some AutoCAD, we do some Inventor, we do some designs and floor plans. We talk about residential structures, which is coming down the pipe for next year. So as a freshman coming in, you have lots of options down here. Mr. Eggink is going to talk to you a little bit about the metals course that you can also take. So a lot of fun stuff going on down here. I hope you enjoy the videos. Next year we're offering, like I said, basic electricity, and we're also offering residential structures. Basic electricity is going to be open to the freshmen coming in, and it ties in nicely with home design and how residential structures will be utilizing some basic fundamental skills in electricity.
I like Woodshop better in high school than middle school because we get a lot more freedom with the work we do. We do a lot more intricate projects and a lot more detail. So I feel like we have more fun with the projects we do here, and I also have a really good teacher. My favorite part in Woodshop in high school is probably all the different tools we get to use. We work between all from hand tools to power tools, between a whole bunch of different sanders, and we get to use the lathes in the project we're working on right now, so it's really cool.
My favorite part of this class is the lathe. The lathe is like awesome because you can turn projects and make like different kinds of shapes and forms of what you want, and you just got a lot of freedom on them, and that's my favorite.
I would recommend taking this class because you get to learn a lot of real life skills. There's a lot of other classes that you can probably take that go along with this, with technology classes, and it just has a lot of real life skills that can help you out in life.
I'd recommend this class to you because it's fun and it opens up a lot more opportunities towards different technology courses and a better job.
I took DDP because it fills in for your art credit and it helps you learn how to draw for engineering purposes for future life and that and jobs. So far in DDP, we learned how to make drawings together on boards, and then we brought them onto the computer on a program called Inventor, and we made 3D models of them.
I would recommend this course to newer students because it's a lot of good experience, especially if you're into this kind of stuff like hands-on mechanical and drawings and such. It could actually be used outside of the building, but like it goes for anything else that you're going to do. It all depends on what you're going into after you leave high school. If you're going to engineering, you're going to be doing a lot of the drawing a lot, but it all matters. It all depends. But if you're into this kind of stuff, I would recommend taking DDP. It's a nice experience.
My name is Arthur Eggink. I'm Mr. Eggink at the high school. We teach Metals 1 here and Metals 2. Right now we're working on their toolboxes. We offer for the freshmen our Metals 1 course, where they're going to be able to learn the fundamentals of bending sheet metal, how to weld, as well as a bunch of other fabrication fundamentals for metals in general. It's a great introduction course to our program. It would be very beneficial for you.
I took metals because in middle school you only had the option of woodshop, and I wanted to get a different aspect of technology, so that's why I took metals 2 and metals 1. I like that you can use all different aspects of welding, bending, soldering in metals, and you don't have that option in woodshop.
I took the Metals 2 course because it offers a lot more than the middle school does. You have a lot more opportunities to use more equipment. As you get older, Your teachers trust you more with the equipment, so you get to use more stuff like welding, cutting, soldering, everything. Really helps you for the future, expands your knowledge base in the workforce like this. We have a career day here, so a lot of people come in, and you can get like internships and stuff, everything you want to get you going for college. What I like about the course is your freedom. You get to make like whatever project you want. It's not like in middle school where they tell you to do a project and that's what you have to do, guidelines. You think of your own stuff, make your own dimensions, and you cut it yourself, make it yourself. Teachers are always there to help though.
I recommend taking this class because it can help you in trades and it could help you in future career paths.